So business needs, number one is foundational needs. You require to have part A, business plan, a clear strategy outlining objectives, target audience, product and services, revenue model, and operational structure. Part B, then you need to have a Lego structure. Decide on a business structure, for example, sole proprietorship, limited liability company, or a corporate. All right. Part C, registration and licenses. Register the business, acquire necessary license, permits, and ensure compliance with local, state, and federal laws. You also need banking. Open a business bank account for your business and establish financial system for managing income and expenses. If possible, you also need insurance. That is part E. Secure business insurance to protect against liability, property damage, or other risk. Number 2, operational needs. So this focus on the day-to-day activities and running of the business to ensure that business runs smoothly. So what you need under operational needs, A is location, physical or virtual office space, depending on type of business. B, you also need the equipment and technology. So you need some tools, machinery, software, or platform required for operations. C, you need the human resource, hiring and managing employees, establishing HR policies or laws, and ensuring compliance with labor laws. Alright, you also need supplier and inventory, reliable suppliers, inventory management system, and supply chain logistics. And the most important thing there which you need is processes and workflow. So your processes must be efficient and your systems must be efficient for production, delivery of your goods and services. Number 3, financial needs. These are critical for sustaining the business, and I'm talking about startup capital. A, funds to cover initial expense such as rent, equipment, and marketing. B, revenue streams. So you need to have some multiple income channels to ensure financial stability. And C, accounting systems, tools for bookkeeping, invoicing, and tax preparation. If you're not able to afford the accounting system tools, for example, QuickBooks, Wave, you will be able to just acquire Excel sheet that will be able to have a customized formula that is made for your business, right? You also need budgeting and forecasting, financial planning to manage cash flows and allocate resources effectively, access to credit or loans for scaling operations or handling emergencies. Number 4, marketing and sales needs. So to attract customers and drive revenue, this is the most important thing that you need to do in your business, alright, in your small business. So A is brand identity. You need to have a logo, a brand message, and unique value proposition guide, right? B, marketing strategy, comprehensive plan covering digital, print, and in-person marketing. C, online presence, a professional website, if possible, active social media account, and SEO strategies. Then you need to also have a CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. That is a system to track and nurture leads, sales, and customer interactions. You also need a sales channel. That is a retail, e-commerce, or distribution channel for reaching your customers. Alright, number 5, strategic needs. So these are critical for long-term growth and competitive advantage over your competitors. So what you need to do is A, market research. So understand industry trend, competitors, and customer preferences. Innovative, you have to develop some new product and services or methods to stay relevant. Partnership, you need to collaborate with other businesses or stakeholders that offer complementary goods or services. D, business development, expand into new market or customer segments if possible. And E, risk management, identify and mitigate risk that could harm the business. Number 6, which is the last one that you need to do, that is part of business needs, is growth and scaling needs. So for businesses looking to expand, you need to have funding for expansion through investors, loans, or retained earnings. B, talent acquisition, so you bring in specialist skills and leadership roles. C, automation and optimization, so streamlining processes to handle higher volumes. D, performance metrics, systems to measure growth, efficiency, and profitability. For example, you'll be able to measure profit per day. So if you're a small business and you need to know whether you're growing or not, then in that case you need to be able to know how much money you're making as profit per day. And lastly, brand reputation management. Maintaining and enhancing public perception of a brand is very, very important. So if you do these things, these are business needs that you need to take in and handle them so that your business grows forward.